Hi, we wanted to demonstrate how easy it is to upgrade a Schlage commercial grade lever lock with a Schlage C keyway cylinder in it to a Medeco high security lock with a restricted keyway. We have a standard commercial lock, Schlage keys, turn and open the lock. Doug is going to switch the cylinder out and bring it back and show you how it looks. Okay, about 2 minutes have elapsed. Doug's returning with the cylinder. We put a gold cylinder in there so you could see the difference. There's the old Schlage cylinder, and now there's the Medeco retrofit. It was quickly done within 2 minutes. We began with a already keyed up cylinder. That's a perfect solution to turn your commercial hardware into high security hardware without the cost of replacing it. Thank you.